Hello everyone, good morning everyone. I Jitendra welcome you all to RKP online classes. As you know, our offline classes were going on and that's a very good schedule for us. But there is again a pandemic period. So again we will follow the previous schedule, that is our online classes. So welcome back in online classes. Here I Jitendra welcome you again in online classes for science. So now we are going to start our first chapter. Without any delay, let's start the chapter. First chapter, that is nutrition in plants. Some can say it's plants. Pronunciation can be different, but I will call it plant. Clear? So how many are there who know about the nutrition? What is nutrition? Don't look on the board, just tell from your side in previous classes how much you get the information, how much you know about the nutrition. So tell me fastly beta, like our body is also like a machine, clear or not? Some idea I am giving to you by telling this concept. Just pause, our body is also a machine, same our vehicle or any other machine. They all need some fuel, they all need some energy to do some work. Same with our body also needs some energy, some fuel to do all the daily works. Clear or not beta? So what is that fuel there? That fuel is food. And from where it came? From where the food came? Is there any idea? Just think, just use your brain, from where it's coming. Directly, indirectly, when you will get a list of food items, you will find that directly or indirectly it is coming from the plants. For example, milk. You will say that sir, milk is coming from our buffalo, our cow. But beta, you don't know that buffalo or that cow, means your cattle, are also taking food from plants. Means we are directly or indirectly. Already I used two words, directly or indirectly. We will get energy or fuel for our body, that is food, from plants only. Clear or not? So there is your chapter in front of you, some concepts are written on the board. So first of all, our chapter name, nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants. So what do you mean by nutrition? Somebody will say the taking of food in our body. Yes or not? Most of will use this definition only, but it's not a complete definition. Complete definition is written in front of you. Taking of food in our body and its utilization. Without utilization, you can't say that nutrition is taking place. Whenever the utilization will not take place, it will not be nutrition. Clear beta? You are taking food, but till its utilization will be there for your body, then nutrition will complete. Same, for example, a vehicle is there, a car is there, we are putting fuel in that one, but till it will not use that fuel, you can't say it's working. Clear or not? Same, if you are taking food in your body, if utilization will not be there, you can't say nutrition is complete there. So nutrition will not complete without utilization of food. So there is definition for you. Nutrition, the process of taking of food by an organism. If an organism will take food and its utilization by the body. Utilization means use. Utilization means beta use. That organism body will use that food and then your nutrition will be complete. Clear? For example, in our daily life, we are taking food, yes or not? Tell fastly. Yes. Okay. We are taking food and we are utilizing it also. Where? In doing our daily works, like in playing, in writing, while you are coming in school, in walking, in speaking also, while you are sleeping, then also you are utilizing your energy. Yes or not? How many are there who don't know this? That while we are sleeping, we are utilizing energy. So beta, during each second we are using energy. Clear? Every living organism is utilizing energy while he is at rest or he is doing some work. Clear? So next one, nutrition we have discussed. Clear? Then there is modes. Modes means how many types are there. Modes, ways. Clear? How many types of nutritions are there? So nutrition ways are depending on what? That food, on the preparation of food. So there are two ways, two modes. First one, autotrophic nutrition. Second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, like self start, auto start. Clear? Bike you are using, that is self start, means auto start. Clear? So auto means self, and trophs means nourishment. Autotrophic, that can nourish itself. Clear? That can nourish itself, means that can prepare the food itself. For example, trees. What? Trees. Trees can prepare their food on by one process that is called photosynthesis, that we will discuss after this one. Clear? Second one, heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which the organism will depend on the others for nutrition, for nourishment its body. Clear? For example, human, cow, dog, buffalo. So they are depending on the others. We can't make our food on. Now somebody will ask that, sir, my mother is cooking food in kitchen herself. Beta, that's not a complete mean for preparing the food. Preparation is a different meaning and cooking is a different. Firstly, she will chop the food items like raw material, rice, wheat flour from where? From market, and then she is cooking. But the raw material from where it's coming? It's indirectly that are depending on the plants. Clear? Next one, the process. Or one topic is there on the basis of nutrition, means modes of nutrition. Organisms are also dividing into two parts. Which are these one? That are following autotrophic nutrition, that are called autotrophs, and second one that are following heterotrophic nutrition, that are called heterotrophs. Clear? Meanings are written in front of you. Firstly, note down these one, and now some classwork is there for you. Use your brain, use your mind, and note down any 20 items that you are using in your daily life as a food, and then write the source of that food items, from where these are coming, and on which plant you are depending. Means you need to get that 20 food items names, like rice. Clear? That you are using, or biryani. Okay, biryani is better one. What items you are using in biryani, and from which plant you are getting that one. Next one, Maggi. In Maggi, what you are using, which flour you are using, and then write the name of the plant from where you are getting that. Clear, beta? Next one, the process by which plants are making their food on, that is photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means formation, means you are synthesizing, you are producing that, you are making that, you are forming that. Clear? So photosynthesis is the process by which a plant is making its food on by utilizing, by using some inorganic substances, simple inorganic substances. Now you will ask, sir, what do you mean by inorganic? So inorganic, there are two terms, in plus organic. Organic means the substances that are belonging to living organisms. Clear? Means the substances that are formed in living organisms, like blood in our body. Clear? The waste like urine in our body, we are synthesizing that. But the substances that are present in non-living substances, like in our nature, some like water is there, CO2 is there. Clear? So that is inorganic substances. So here plant will use that simple inorganic substances, and with the help of some factors they will prepare their food by their own. Clear? And what are that inorganic substances? First one, carbon dioxide. From where they will take carbon dioxide? From atmosphere, because in atmosphere there is enough carbon dioxide. Second one, water. They will take it from water by the help of roots. Clear? Third factor, sunlight, photo, the word that came in the process name, photosynthesis. So photo means light, sunlight that the plant will take from sun. And fourth factor that is important, that green pigment that is present already in the plants, that is chlorophyll. So chlorophyll that is present in green leaves or the other green parts of the plants. So with the help of these four factors, plants will prepare their food by their own. Clear? So they will use carbon dioxide that they will take from atmosphere, water from roots, and chlorophyll that is present in leaves, and last one, sunlight from sun. And these four factors they will use together and the formation of food, that is in the form of glucose, and the side product will be there, oxygen, that we are using in respiration. Clear or not, beta? So process definition is written there in front of you. The process by which autotrophic green plants, the plants that are green, means that are having chlorophyll in it, make their own food from simple inorganic substances, CO2 that is carbon dioxide and H2O that is water, in presence of sunlight, and green pigment that is chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. And there is a reaction also that is very important, that can be asked to you in any class, means in higher classes as you will go there. So every time it will be important for you. So reaction is there, CO2 means carbon dioxide, I have already told you, H2 water, H mu, this is used for sunlight, this is used for beta sunlight. So where H mu is written, this is not V mu, H mu, that is that we are using in science as the symbol of sunlight, and chlorophyll, and the formation of C6H12O6, that is the chemical formula for glucose, beta, and O2 that is oxygen that will be released in atmosphere. Now this glucose is stored in plant only in the form of starch. And now you will ask, what is starch? So this is the question for you. Before next part we will shoot there, before next part of the video we will discuss there, find out the answer for this question, what is starch and how the plants will store glucose units and where they will store it. So this is the question for you. So find out the answers for the questions that I have asked in the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.